Hi, good morning! It's a rainy morning. And we're not going to the restaurant actually today, but it's gonna be a little different kasi nga maulan, nakakaloka. We're just going to get some pares and then come back home and watch some movies. So ganun lang muna yung eksena natin because it's really raining. And yung restaurant is not that busy kasi nga everything there every road, almost all roads going to the restaurant is flooded daw. So medyo walang katao-tao sa restaurant. Which is okay. Kasi yun nga, talagang Bahamas Festival sa area ng restaurant natin. So we're out to get some pares because I want some pares. Of course, Baby Boy also wants some pares. So, do you want pares?
Yes, sir.
Pares daw. Parang, ang laki natin. Lumalaki lang tayo ng lumalaki. Charot. Parang walang problema. Charot. Walang problema, pero ang dami na namin problema. Nasistress siya kasi he's the one actually managing the restaurant. Siya yung music naman. So si Baby Boy actually yung nagmamanage ng restaurant. Hindi naman ako. So let's go get some pares first and enjoy this rainy morning. Para lang talagang may magawa tayo today. Let's go! So, nandito na tayo sa paresan. It's just like a few meters away from the house. Ayan, this is Navarro in Gentry. We were supposed to rent here before pero hindi kami natuloy. Doon kami natuloy sa Kawit. So ngayon, pulos na siya commercial establishments and this one is a bakery. I also buy bread from there. Then yung mga... Ayan. So mga bago yan everyday. It looks really delicious. Mahilig ako sa mga ganyan tinapay. Mga ganyan-ganyan. Cheese bread to ate, no? Cheese bread.
Pandigatas yan.
Pandigatas? Saan yung cheese bread? Wala pa? Mamaya-maya meron na. And then I also like this one. And this one, bakit di ba dapat supposedly pandiregla to, pero violet yung regla niya. Then the hopya of the local bakery. May kasi tinapay na yan. So ito na yung paresan, makakainan namin. Ano na baby? Excited ka na? Madami kasing tao guys, napuno siya. Ayan. Si Abby and Iya Eatery. Masarap yung pares overload dito. 120 lang din, may libre ng May libre na siyang Coke. Ay, soft drinks. Hello po. Ate, order ulit kami.
Ano po?
Mag-hi nga kayo, ate. Nasaan si ate? Huwag mong takpan. Para makita yung kagandahan niya. Ate, dami yan mo Ibibideo ko yan. Sabi nila, pag vlogger, dapat madami nila. Charot. Oo. Oo nga. Hindi. Magnanakaw na ako ngayon. Mas malaki kita sa pagnanakaw. Ay, inutusan ako. Singilin kita ng TF.
Ayusin natin, kagandahan natin.
Lumabas daw muna ako ulit, tapos videohan ko daw ulit.
Oo, mas maganda po, mas maganda.
Pinakita ko na.
Lalagyan natin ng chapstick, maganda.
Huwag na ate, charot-charot lang yun, kakain lang kami.
Ay, bakit po?
Ano ka ba? Hindi ko ito ipopost. Huwag ka mag-alala. Kunti lang followers ko. Ayan. O, ikaw si Harold na muna. Yan, ganyan. Dapat pag vlogger, dinadamihan nyo. Sa lahat po ng magpapares dyan, pag vlogger po. Sorry. Mababas ako na wala sa... Oo daw, nag-agree naman siya. Hindi, pero yan lang talaga yung
Pero sa ito po, may nag-vlog po sa amin, nasa 5,000 na po ang viewers namin.
Talaga.
Pero mga 8K lang po ang followers.
Ako konti lang, 8 lang din.
8K po, mga 8K na po ang followers. Yan.
Hoy! Ay na. Ganyan talaga yung serving hindi porket nag-vlog ako. Hindi naman nila alam kanina nagbibideo ako. Ganyan talaga yung serving dito ng kanilang overload pares. So sa mga taga-Gentry, pag napadaan kayo dito sa Navarro, dito lang sa may Yung malapit sa entrance ng St. John, yung nasa tawid, yung Mama Rachel's Hospital of Mercy, ayan. Andito lang sila tapatan. Sprite ako, ate. Wala. Pwedeng play, ano to? I'm so excited about this pares. Alam nyo, dito 120 siya, may only rice na din and coke. And it tastes way better. Masarap talaga ang luto nila ate dito ng kanilang pares. I don't eat pares that much, pero dito, talagang pinupuntahan namin. I like it with a lot of garlic. I put also garlic here. Yan. Masarap ang pares. Dito sa may Navarro Gentry. So ano to? Rising ano pa lang to? This is a rising food spot. So if ever you wanna explore, kung taga Gentry ka lang din naman, just visit here. This is worth visiting. Kahit hindi ka taga Gentry, this is worth visiting. I don't like making piga na kalamansi, so baby boy will do that for me. Ayokong hinahawakan ng kalamansi. It's raining again. Yan lang. That's the timpla that I want for the pies. I don't put soy sauce anymore. So yung overload nila dito may bulaklak. There's of course beef and lechon kawali. They put lechon kawali as well. Look. Sarap. Ay, sarap guys. Lalo na pag maulan. Let's eat. Dami oh. Nabulak lang. Mas put a little sabaw.
Ay, babalik ka sa bahay ni Kim.
Ah! Lakas!
Sakto-sakto pa rin sa atin.
Dami mga ulan.
Sakto-sakto pa rin sa atin.
Binibidyo din ako yan. Hindi mo nga ako kilala? Binibidyo nila ako, hindi nila ako kilala. Search mo sa Facebook page ko. Madam Ellie. Hala? Daming pera, walang data? Ang lako. OAB. Sinarado nila kasi maulan. Ang problema ko, paano yuyuko? Pero kaya ko yumuko. Gano'n kababa gusto nyo? Ay, taray. Kaya ko din yan. Oh, ang baba ng yuko ko. Nabasa pa din ako. So, it's raining. Ayan ha. Si Abby and Iya Eatery. Tara na, sakay na. Lumalakas na ulan. Ay, baby! Ano ba yun? Ano ba yun? Makakaloka! So, ayan, after eating, we decided to go to the nearest mall dito sa amin. And we are getting coffee. So, ayan. And I also brought my book with me. Ito yung binabasa ko ngayon. I wish to finish this today dahil wala naman kami ginagawa. So, this is the Songs of Achilles. Kinikilig ako dito, guys. Para akong may mini BL inside my head going on. Ay, ano? Secret pala muna. Pero, get this book if you have time. I'm recommending this. Hindi ko siya tapos, but it's really good. So, let's get coffee na. Coffee Bean is one of my go-to coffee shops. So, yung pinakamalapit sa bahay. I like the coffee here. Let's go get coffee. Is there turtle pie? Walang turtle pie. Gusto ko dito yung turtle pie sa mga pastries nila. What are you getting today? Hi, Harold. What are you wearing today?
Gago.
What are you getting? Ay, caramel pa rin.
Caramel pa rin. Same.
Baby, balbas mo ko. Shave na ko. Baby boy face. Look at this boy.
Stress. 3 days na.
Stress ang skills mo.
Bisita kayo sa shop.
Mic because it will sound like...
Bisita kayo sa shop para hindi ako ma-stress.
These are the pastries available. I'm gonna get that. So, wala akong mic. Itong white chocolate cheesecake or the... I don't know what I want. I want everything. I'll get everything. Chalo. May yamasan si Rivan. I will try. Excited. So we ordered for 2 drinks. And if you're wondering bakit there's a 3rd cup. So what I usually ask the baristas to do is I tell them na wag nilang itapon. Kasi di ba when they make your drink, may sobra talaga yan sa blender. Yung sinasabi ko talaga, wag na lang itapon. Lagyan na lang sa other cup so that I can drink it. Kasi the reason behind that, when I was still working corporate life before, ikakwento ko to, I think nakwento ko na to before. Kasi sayang, more than anything, sayang yung tinatapon nila. And during that seminar that I attended, it was a live coaching event. So, sabi ng aming facilitator, she was telling us a story na for you to be able to appreciate the little things in life, you have to also appreciate everything that you do not see, the process behind how this cup of coffee was made for you to be here today sa table ninyo. So this one, from the beans, somebody in wherever part of the world took care of the plants. They grew them, nalagaan nila. So, after which, nung hinarvest na, may mga people involved again, doing hard labor. People who are not as fortunate as we are to sit here in this coffee shop. And of course, yung roasting ng beans, and all the process that involves bringing this cup of coffee to your table. You have to appreciate them. Because even them, baka hindi pa natitikman ang sarili nilang mga produkto. And it's just so wasteful for someone to throw this away without, appreciating all the hard work that went into this cup para mainom natin na ngayon. Sabi niya, not because you can afford it means you can simply throw it away. Because the labor, all the heart that was put into this cup of coffee, that one you can never throw away. Makes sense, no? And more than anything, sayang din talaga. I do not like throwing away things, more so, yung mga food, ang pagkain. That's why I asked the barista if they can put it in another cup, and they will do that for you. They will gladly do that for you. So, ayan. I have an extra half cup of coffee. Delicious coffee. Thank you to the farmers. So, ayun guys, we're finally home and we'll just relax here for a bit kasi wala namang magawa, and then we'll probably watch Netflix. Thank you for joining me today. I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye!